Maidhm they call here, that's the wave. The Spanish used to call Gaillimhe the gates of hell. They never saw any place on the west of Ireland as rough and with all these big breakers. And we have names for all the breakers. We have like Towell and Boilg. We have Mealláin Sorbas, Bhoird, Leac, Gaeilge, and Dhireáin. There used to be some of the breakers named after the people. We would have the Gainnimh, we would have the Dhearg, we would have lots of names on them, but the only problem is we are not using these names anymore, and I'm nearly the oldest now that's surviving of the old Christian men around here, and I never thought, I didn't spoke about these way for the last 30 years, you could say, and I'm losing some of it. I'm losing some of it. When we used to go out fishing, we used to go to the rocks, Dhireáin, and maybe 10 boats in there, and everybody will have his own fire, and everybody would put down tea on a saucepan, and a saucepan of fish to eat, and new potatoes, so on. And then when you be young, you'll be listening to these, talking about these Maidhms or these waves, and that's how you will learn. You have to learn from the old generation.